If you like this Bible teaching song video, then please share the link. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you richly. Mark at a matter of truth.
Jesus, the first to partake of your eternal nature divine. Now see it's true. The first human you made new. You made new.
Commentary on Jeremiah 31 verse 22. Huna, in the name of R. E.D., speaking of the sufferings of the Messiah, says that when his hour is come, God shall say, I must create him with a new creation. And so he said, This day I have begotten you. If you like this Bible teaching song video, then please share the link. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you richly. Mark at a matter of truth.